It is story time. Welcome everybody to Nodia's story time. Chris and I, we had a family friend. She and I met at management school. We studied management together. We ended up buying, I bought a house and she purchased land and bought a 6-bedroom house. Anyhow, she married to her childhood friend. Soon after they got married, he lost his job. Air Jamaica went down and he lost his job. Anyhow, I said to her, why don't you assist him in getting a skill or something? She said she not help no man to do nothing. Why don't you go about and help him to get a job? Because you know men now have the quick sharpness as us. She said she not do it, she know him son. She know him mother. She built this big nice house. Do further studies, do her masters. She treated the man so badly because she's an Adventist. And on Saturday when she go to church, she locked the door and leave him outside because she say, I eat off the food. If he need the vehicle to borrow go anywhere, she not lend him because she say, I done out the gas. Whenever time him carry the child to school, he have to stay at him friend them house. Because she say, I stay in the house and I run up the light bill. So she carried the cylinder with her to work at daytime. And she would do all of that. And I said to her, be careful how you treat him, you know, because karma is real. And she always, but he's so nice and he's so jovial. And let me tell you something. The meek shall inherit the earth. She got a job and she went to the US to work. And she took him. He went along with her. And 6 months or 7 months after she went to the US, she had a heart attack at 47 years old and died. You know what? Everything that she worked and harbor for herself and protect herself alone, she died leaving everything and the husband got it all. The big nice house, the big nice vehicle, the work permit to the US, everything that she labored for alone, her husband is now benefiting from it all. And 9 out of 10 times, I think that man married to one white woman now a US. The other night, she dreamt me. She came in my sleep and told me that the man burned her out of the house and she can't go into the house anymore. So I said to her, that's what you used to do to him when you were alive. And I always said to her that you're going to die young and a young girl are going to come take over your house because you're not taking care of yourself. You're working 100 jobs and you're not helping the man to empower himself so that he can help you. And so say, so done. So what is the moral of the story? Don't belittle persons because they are not in a position now. The meek shall inherit the earth. It's not a joke. The meek shall inherit the earth. So because you are on a high, don't forget small beginnings. Because you may end up dying young and the other person reap everything that you sow. Happy Thursday, everybody.